Good morning, children. This is problem number 22 on page number 89, star mark example, easy comparatively. It is given that two circles are intersecting each other in points R and S. A common tangent is touching the two circles in points P and Q. We have to prove that measure of angle PRQ plus measure of angle PSQ, PRQ plus PSQ, their sum is 180 degrees. Okay. So we start with the proof. Let us consider one circle at a time. In the smaller circle, line PQ is touching the circle at Q. So we have studied a theorem. Let me explain that theorem which we are going to use here. If a line touches the circle and through the point of contact, if you draw a secant, then the angle between the tangent and the secant, this angle is congruent to the angle inscribed in the alternate arc. ये हो गया इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क, इसको छोड़ दो. जो बचा हुआ आर्क है, वी विल कॉल दैट एज ऑल्टरनेट आर्क. तो एंगल बिटवीन द tangent and the secant, this angle is congruent to the angle inscribed in the alternate arc. So if I number this angle as angle number 1 and this as angle number 2, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is called as alternate segment theorem. So we are using the same theorem twice, once in a smaller circle, once in a larger circle. So for the smaller circle, this is the tangent and this smaller segment is a part of the secant. Secant is actually the line, but that full line is not shown in the figure. So this angle between the tangent and the secant, this one. So here it is this one. It is congruent or it is equal to the angle inscribed in the alternate segment, that it is congruent to angle RSP. ये इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क है. इसको छोड़ के जो पूरा आर्क बचेगा, यहां से जो शुरू हो रहा है ऐसे इधर जो जा रहा है, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ऑल्टरनेट आर्क. और एंगल RSP is inscribed in that arc. तो ये एंगल RPQ will be congruent to angle RSP. We have written here RPQ is equal to angle RSP, that is their measures are equal by alternate segment theorem. Same theorem we are going to apply in the larger circle also. This common tangent is touching the larger circle in point Q. Here we have written common tangent touches the larger circle at point Q. The angle between the tangent and this is the secant drawn through the point of contact. This angle will be congruent to angle RSQ. Measure of angle RQP is equal to angle RSQ by the same theorem, alternate segment theorem, by alternate segment theorem. So we have obtained equivalents for these two angles. Okay, we have numbered those equations as angle equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now in the triangle PQR, sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. So we started like that. Angle PRQ plus angle RPQ plus angle RQP, तीनों एंगल्स की टोटल 180 डिग्री आती है, ये हम लोगों को मालूम है. ओके, बट वी हैव द रिप्लेसमेंट्स फॉर दीज टू एंगल्स. आर पी क्यू और आर क्यू पी, ये दोनों एंगल्स के रिप्लेसमेंट है. इसका रिप्लेसमेंट ये एंगल है और इसका रिप्लेसमेंट इधर वाला एंगल है. तो वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्लेस these two angles by their equivalents, which we have already obtained in equation number 1 and 2. So we did that. RPQ इसका इक्विवेलेंट RSP है, तो इसकी जगह RSP डाल दिया. ओके. तीसरा एंगल RQP, इट्स इक्विवेलेंट इज RSQ. तो इसकी जगह ये एंगल डाल दिया. तो देखिए थर्ड एंगल की जगह हम लोगों ने RSQ डाल दिया. करेक्ट. So what do we observe? That these two angles have been replaced by their equivalents, and we get PRQ plus RSP plus RSQ is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, we have numbered that equation as equation number 3, and how did we do the replacements? Using equation 1 and equation 2. But angle RSP plus angle RSQ, RSP plus RSQ, here also I have written RSP plus RSQ, that comes out to be angle PSQ. RSP इधर वाला एंगल, RSQ इधर वाला एंगल, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो you get angle PSQ. So the sum of these two angles is equal to angle PSQ. So this sum will be replaced by PSQ. Okay, that sum will be replaced by PSQ. So this equation 3 becomes this angle remains as it is, but this sum is replaced by its equivalent PSQ. So we are writing PSQ. So what do we get? Angle PRQ plus angle PSQ is equal to 180 degrees. Is it the required result? Angle PRQ plus angle PSQ is equal to 180 degrees. Hence proved. Okay. Example is easy, but has a complicated application of alternate segment theorem.